Hello guys, Karurak here with you, and today I want to show you how to use the trip computer in a Ford Fiesta. Although it's pretty easy, maybe someone will find this information helpful. So here is how the standard trip computer monitor looks like in a Fiesta that is the cheapest trim Fiesta, I suppose. And you may have different colors of these lights, and maybe it can be bigger in some cars. So you control what it shows by this button, let's say strip here, and you can change, pressing this button, you can change what it shows. So I'll press it and I'll see some different figures. So here is the basic monitor and it shows the mileage of the car. So my Fiesta is currently 66,000 miles. And if you press it again, you will get trip mileage. So you can reset it and you will get the mileage per your trip after you reset this monitor. Then you get the distance to empty monitor that shows you how many miles you can drive with the fuel that you have in your tank. And the next monitor will show you the instant gas mileage. So it shows you how much gas your car burns right now. So my Fiesta is not working now, so it burns 0 gallons per hour, right? The next monitor is the average mileage. Maybe it shows for the last 50 miles, I don't know. Or you can reset it and it will start counting this gas mileage from the point when you reset it. Now it says 31.5 miles per gallon. I think it's quite all right. Then we have an average speed, which is the speed that is counted on all your drives. So if you drive in the city, you are likely to get, like me, 14 miles per hour, the average speed. If you drive on highways, it will be like 50-55 miles per hour. And then we get back to the miles. So I mentioned that you can reset some monitors. For example, this one saying trip, yeah? So it's miles since you last reset your trip monitor. And how can you do this? You can do this using the same trip button, and what you need to do is to press this button and hold it. So you press and hold it and it starts showing something like that, and it's reset. Now you can release the button and your Fiesta will count this trip mileage from the 0. Then you can also reset the average gas mileage. Like the same, you press and hold the button. Now you can release it and it will start counting this mileage again. I think this is all you need to know about how Ford Fiesta trip computer works. If you have any questions, please ask them in comments below.